In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Wizz airplane tickets. If your plans have changed or you booked the wrong date, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way, so you can request your refund with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to wizzair.com. Give the home page a moment to load fully so all the menus appear. It helps to have your booking reference and the last name on the reservation ready. If you have a Wizz account, make sure you can sign in. If you booked as a guest, you can still manage your trip using your reference details. At the top of the site, find and click the Check-in and Bookings option. This is the central place for managing reservations, checking in, changing flights, and processing cancellations. If you're prompted to sign in or enter your booking code and last name, go ahead and do that so Wizz Air can locate your reservation. Once you're in the management area, click on Upcoming Trips. This section lists all future flights linked to your account or booking details. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct itinerary, especially if you have multiple flights or add-ons like seats and bags attached to different legs of your journey. Select the plane ticket you want to cancel and click Cancel. This is where Wizz Air typically shows important information about your fare rules, any applicable fees, and whether your refund will be cashed back to your original payment method or returned as we say credit. Read the summary carefully. Some fares are partially refundable, some are credit only, and certain optional services might not be refundable. If you have bundles or insurance, the page should outline how those are handled when you cancel. After reviewing the terms, click Get Refund. You may see a choice between a monetary refund and receiving Wizz credits, sometimes with a bonus percentage for choosing credit. Pick the option that best fits your plans and confirm your request. You should receive a confirmation on screen and via email. Refunds to a card can take several business days to appear, depending on your bank. Credits usually post to your Wizz account sooner and can be used on future bookings. To wrap up, keep your confirmation email, note any reference number provided, and check back in your upcoming trips to ensure the flight shows as canceled. If the refund option wasn't available for your fare, review the fare conditions shown on the page for specifics. And remember, the earlier you cancel before departure, the more options you typically have.